It's a rainy day here in North Georgia, and American Geode is out rock hounding. You know, on a rainy day, that's probably one of the best days to go rock hounding, as the rain, washes away so much of the dust, debris, and reveals the crystals in a special place like this new place that American Geode discovered. We are going to spend the afternoon here. There are crystals all throughout this outcrop. And then we are going to go up to the top of it and dig a little deeper. But you can see here that this is a quartz vein. And this outcrop has just revealed wonderful examples of quartz. There might be some calcite among here, but just look at all of these crystals. This is just along the side of the road. We are in, oh, look at that beauty. Look at that point. I haven't had a manicure in about a month, so excuse the unkept fingernails. More to come. Again, this is a very exciting new spot discovered by American Geode. Wish us luck. Hopefully we hit a jackpot.